Good morning everyone. It is officially 3 days after I styled my hair just using the mousse, and I know how you guys are and you want your updates, so I figured I would hop on here before I go to the gym again. So I did work out with this hair once and I'm not entirely sure how it's gonna hold up for this workout, but I figured I'd pop in anyways to show you guys before, and then if I remember I definitely will pop in for the after. But this is what my hair is looking like after 3 days of styling. So it's just the mousse, nothing else. I have not refreshed. I haven't done anything to it other than leave it be. I've also tied it up, not super tight. I've been using just like a big hair tie and just leaving it loose. I don't care how crazy I look. I was just trying to see how long this will last, because typically, even with my long-lasting gels, I won't go and like really tighten my hair back, because when you dent it like that, it's really hard to bring it back without refreshing. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. So I know that I should have posted this in the last video, but I knew that I wanted to get this video out to you as soon as possible, but I also knew that I was going to give you guys an update. And I saw a few of your comments and you're like, are you going to show us an update? So yes, here it is. I mean, you guys be the judge. You guys be the judge. I feel like it looks really bomb. It's fluffy and all that, and it needs a little refresh, but I could even go out like this if I tuck in the front pieces. I don't look that crazy. So it's safe to say that this mousse is bomb, but what I will say is I think I want to try this mixed with a gel and see what my results look like. A lot of you guys have been saying to pair it with my favorite stronghold gel, and I think I'm going to do that for my next wash and go. Yeah, I am going to be going away again very soon. I think I'm going to have my curls. Ideally, I would have had my hair in braids, but I don't know, because I won't be able to have my hair in braids for too long, so I figured why not just bring my curls on vacation again. My curls have been thriving and they've been so happy being on vacation, and they're probably happy that I'm bringing them with me instead of tucking them away in some braids. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep my hair in curls, and that kind of gives you guys more content as well, because I'm going to be able to show you guys what I do and all of that. I wasn't able to film much on my last vacation because I really just wanted to just decompress and just not worry about filming or any of that extraness, but this trip I'm definitely gonna be filming. Yeah, this is just my quick update before this next video. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Comment down below how you feel, because this is day 3. I hope that after the workout it also looks fine and I will hold it until I can, but 3 days, I'm happy about that. But that's all for this update. Keep on watching to keep watching the next video. Okay, you guys, so as promised, I came back post-workout, so we're gonna see what my hair looks like. So of course I had to tie it back because I am not gonna leave my hair out during a workout. So you guys are gonna get the live view of what my curls look like post-sweating on them. So if you really look at them, they don't look that bad. And I know that I've said that about like other products and my hair looks similar to this, but when I just simply use a mousse and this is the result that I get, it's kind of nuts. Like, to me, it's very crazy because I'm so accustomed to trying a product like a mousse, like a very light product, and not getting anywhere near these results, because I've used a gel and gotten like crazier results, and this is a mousse. Crazy in a bad way, like crazy that my hair is like mad big, no curl definition. But clearly here, we have a lot of definition going. So, I'm a fan. You know what I think I might do? For today's video, hold on, there's a plane being hella disrespectful. Okay, so for today's video, I actually might try the mousse with a gel. Because a lot of you said pairing the mousse with your favorite stronghold gel gave you like bomb results. So I think I'm gonna try that, because I'm staring at the mousse right now, and just staring at these results, imagine if I had a little bit more holds. Like, I mean, this is 3 days. 3 days, and 2 days out of the 3 I was sweating on it. So I think this is a perfect segue to try the mousse with the gel and see what happens to my hair. Like, is my hair gonna like it? Is it gonna be too much for my hair? We could totally find out today. Let me go and wash this. I know it doesn't necessarily need to be washed, but since I've been sweating, I like to keep my hair refreshed and my scalp clean at least 2 times a week. I like to wash my hair, especially when I'm working out, because, you know, I want to make sure my scalp is fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'm going to try out the mousse with the gel. So BRB. Okay guys, so my hair is freshly washed. As you guys can see, I'm in my styling robe, so we're going to get to styling. I did have to like walk around and do a few things beforehand, so my hair might be it looks like it's kind of dry, but it's not. let me brush it through. This is literally what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower. It's really so big, but it's still soaking wet. So I just did the little product mix test on my hands, and at first it was a little funny, but as I mixed it in, it worked really nice. So let's see. I'm gonna mix the mousse with, of course, the Wetland Extreme Gel. So we're gonna go in with the infamous mousse. Since I'm doing the perimeter, I did 3 pumps because we don't want to do too much again. Definitely excited to see how this turns out. I'm gonna brush that through. I'm just like fascinated with the fact that this mousse clumps curls. Like, I've never seen that in my entire life. Now, I love the CurlSmith foam, but I also haven't tried that on its own because I just recently started exploring foams. I mixed it in my recent wash and go, and I really liked the way it turned out. On camera though, side note, my hair looks dry, but it's not dry, guys, I promise. I just gotta make sure I add more product to my ends because that side looks, you see, that side looks a little bit less saturated than this side. Perfect, a little bit on this side. Do 2 pumps. Remember, I am gonna go back in and separate all this hair and just do it into sections again like I did my last wash and go. All right, so we're on the perimeter already. Let's section off this hair. So now I'm wondering whether or not I should do the same amount of pumps or should I do half of what I did before? Because if I'm gonna be using a gel, I also don't want my hair to be too weighed down. So let me do, I'll do 2 pumps again. We'll see how it looks. I also want the same exact results, but with an added hold to see how long we can get this to last. On a side note, like I said in the video earlier today, I wanted to braid my hair for a trip that I'm gonna be going on very soon, but I realized I won't have enough time. Well, it's not that I won't have enough time, I do have the time, but the issue is I won't be able to wear my braids for that long. And this time I was gonna actually pay someone to do them for me because your girl has gotten to the point where my stamina is not there. Like, I could do it, but I could use some help. So I thought about getting a professional to do it for me, and I don't know. I don't want to pay to get them done to then take them off in a week, and it just, I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but my curls are going to be very happy to be going on vacation again because my hair loves salt water. It doesn't like the pool, but it loves salt water. It loves to be washed all the time, so we'll see. All right, so next up we're going to be going in with the Wetland Extreme Gel. This is the infamous gel that I use in almost every video because I love it so much. I'm actually going to share with you guys how I styled my hair on vacation for my last trip. This was my holy grail on vacation as well. Like, I love this gel so much. So we're going to go in with the Wetland Extreme Gel. I'm gonna go in with about the same amount that I normally would and pile it on top. I'm a little nervous. Oh wow. I gotta step back because this elongation is on another level. Okay, all right. So I think that's good for this side. I'm gonna go to this side. Same thing, just taking the typical amount I would, adding it right on top. And if this is a bomb combo, I'm gonna be so excited. I saw in the comments that a lot of you guys were saying that the mousse was drying to your hair. A lot of you guys hyped this mousse up. Like, I don't know why you guys waited this long to tell me about it. I had a few comments in a previous video of multiple people saying to try the mousse, and I never did because I'm not really a big mousse person, but you know, after this one, I might be. This is a bigger section than the other one for sure. I definitely took, it's not the same. Okay. So we're definitely dealing with some clumps here, which is a beautiful thing. We love clumps. Okay, so I want to give you guys a little close-up of what my wet curls are looking like so far. crazy. Also, it's a little mark. Literally, if I touch my neck, it turns red. So I don't need comments of y'all thinking it's something else. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited because these clumps remind me of the Mayel and Wetland Extreme combo that I did. I want to say it was like maybe 5 months ago that I said that was literally my favorite combo, but that combo might have some competition. I mean, honestly, wet results are very deceiving, so let's repeat the same thing throughout the rest of my hair, and then I will show you guys what my hair looks like fully styled. And yeah, so I'm gonna speed up this part of the video. Okay guys, so I have no words right now for this shine, definition, hold. I am so excited to see what my dry results are gonna look like, but just based off of these wet results. Okay, so just taking a look at these wet results, just take a little moment right here. Like, hello, definition. I am so excited. I'm so happy that these two paired really well together and that my hair looks like this while it's wet, because that's typically a good sign. Now, I don't always go based on my wet results. You guys already know that because I have been very fooled. Let me show you guys the back. Out of which I have to step forward again because this hair just keeps growing. But honestly, this is kind of crazy. But I kind of expected it just from that one section. I knew that it was going to be good. Like, look at my front pieces. You guys know how disrespectful these pieces can be sometimes. And look at, like, oh, I just messed it up. They were just chilling, but. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair, get cute, and then I will show you guys my final results, which I'm super excited about. So, BRB. Okay, guys, so these are my dry results. And I'll be totally honest, I love them. I think they're beautiful, but I did think that there wouldn't be as much volume. I didn't fluff it out or anything. I mean, this definition is crazy, and I'm happy that I have the volume that I have, but I thought I was gonna be a little bit, like, I thought the results would be more flat and I'd have to personally give myself volume, but honestly, these results are bomb, just as expected. What I will say is that when you are diffusing, you will feel a lot of crunch. Like, I was like, ooh, my hair is very hard. Like, it felt like back in the day when we would use the LA Looks gel and we just pack it on our heads and our hair would literally just stick like that. That's literally how it felt at first. I mean, still within the curl, but it was just very stiff. And then as I finished drying and walked around my house or whatever, now it's a lot softer. So I didn't actually scrunch in an oil, but I said I would. But I kind of see that it's kind of softening up on its own, so I may or may not add an oil. But I'm not gonna lie, these results are beautiful. Very shiny, very moisturized, and very defined. I cannot complain. But what I will say is, like, I'm starting to get straggly ends again. I think it's already time for another trim, even though I just got one. Maybe just trim these two little guys off. Or maybe they're just lost. I don't know. So far, so good. I'll probably post an update just like I did with this video for another video and show you guys what my hair looks like then. But I do have a good feeling that they are going to last, so I will definitely keep you guys posted. And yeah, these are my final results. I'm definitely very happy, and I'm glad that I thought about this routine last minute because I was going to share with you guys a different hair routine. Probably one of my favorite summer go-to wash and goes. I don't know why there's so much noise in the background. I was planning on sharing with you guys my favorite summertime wash and go, but I just had this random idea. I was like, you know what? I'm actually gonna try the mousse again with the gel and see what happens. And she did not disappoint at all. Like, hello. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. Just know I will be updating you guys as to how long this wash and go lasts. So stay tuned for that in the next video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.